In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Midway USA discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Midway USA discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see we have right here a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this 10% discount off your next purchase, simply tap on this promotion right here and you'll have this promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy the promo code and apply on your next purchase to get the 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retailminot.com, which also provides some promo codes and deals that we can use. So for example, if you want to get let's say this one with $10 discount on orders that are higher than $75, simply tap right here and the promo code will show up. You can copy this promo code and apply on your next order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.